Alright, how you doing today, class? Today we are going to be making a Google Slides presentation. So you're gonna go to your Google Drive, and as you can see, you're gonna go into Slides. Okay. Well, I already have mine up, so I'm gonna go to it. Alright. So first thing I want to teach you how to do is I want to teach you how to insert another slide. So if you look up here, it says new slide, so you click that, and then it says add slide, click title. Alright, so we'll just put Mr. Carrillo's class. Alright, so if you want to put a background on here, you go to slide, change background, and either you can change it to a color like black or red or yellow or whatever you want to do, or you can go to choose image and you can make it your background as it lets me. You can make your background as a Google image, kind of like how I did this one right here. So I'm gonna go back, delete this slide real quick because I don't want it. Alright, so kind of how I did this one. So what is energy? Have you ever wondered what it was like when people first discovered energy? Just think of it this way: how it would be if you couldn't play your video games, or if you couldn't watch TV, or keep your food in the refrigerator. Energy is in everything, and is often described as the ability to do work. If you want to know what energy is. Alright, so on this Google Slides, as you can see, we're going to do the 5 different forms of energy. You have your name, the title, and then the grade we're in. Our objective today is students are expected to tell the difference of the different forms of energy, including mechanical, sound, electrical, light, and thermal, using the M.E.L.T.S acronym that we've been working on. On each slide, as you can tell, it says you're gonna write the definition in your own words, and you're gonna put images of correct types of energy. Images could go into 2 different categories, such as a candle. So let's look at electrical. So like I said, it says students will put definition of electrical energy in their own words. Students will put real life images. So let me go ahead and make another slide again. I'm going to show you how to insert an image. So you go to insert image. Then you can either the same way with the background. You can either upload it from your computer, or you can search it on the web. So let's search it on the web. And right now I can't insert it because it's in the recording. The webcam's in the way. But if you were, you can see right here, you can insert it. And so then you insert your image, a real life example of electrical energy, right? Then you do the same thing with light energy, and you do the same thing with thermal energy and sound. And then you get to your copyright page, and this is where, because I didn't make these images, so you have to give credit for where they're from. So if you click on them, it'll give you the page of where I got it. So here's where I got. You grab the energy, and it gives you a link to it. And then here's mechanical energy. Just make sure that you source who you got the images from. Alright, class, thank you. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. I look forward to seeing your presentations. Y'all have a great day.